and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on this tutorial, back side and front side. You can use different kind of color you like, but let's get started. We are going to start by making chain, one slip knot, and then again I make some chain. If we made extra, we are going to cut it because it really depends how size do you like. If you need the big size or small size. If you want to use it for a scarf or blanket or whatever. So I'm going to stop here by skip 3 chain, 1 2 3. In the fourth one I insert my hook and I make 1 double crochet. I have to repeat by make 7 more double crochet in the same chain. In total we have to have 8 double crochet. Let me just check. Yeah, it has to be 8. Then we are going to skip 2 chain, and then in the third one I'm going to make 1 single crochet. Again I repeat by skip 2. The third one I start to make like this one, 8 double crochet. Six, 7 and 8. Then we skip 2, make 1 single crochet, and we repeat the pattern until the end of the row. I already made 3 of these. It's time to finish the job by only 1 single crochet. Then we change the color. We're going to make 4 chain. 1 2 3 and 4. We return the work like that. We make on the top of the single crochet we are going to make another double crochet. Looks like that. Then start by chain 6 and make another V shape on the top of the single crochet. We are going to make 1 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 double crochet. Repeat. and another V shape on the top of the chain here. We are going to make 3 chain and we return the job. Here, because row 2, we are going to make half of this pattern here and half of this pattern at the end. So instead of making 8 double crochet, we make only 4 double crochet in this V shape, 2, 3 and 4. It's time to make single crochet here. I'm going to take the one in the middle of that one and this, make 1 single crochet like that. Now it's time to make 8 double crochet in here in V stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Again, when it comes to that part, we take the one in the middle and also the other part and then make 1 single crochet. We repeat the pattern. When it comes to that one at the end, we have to make only half. It means we are going to make only 4 double crochet, then make only 1 double crochet at the top of the chain to make a edge. It's time to change the color again. I'm going to take the yarn. We're going to continue by chain 2, return the work. We're going to repeat the row 1, so that's we have to go directly on the top of single crochet and make a V shape like that. Chain 6, make another V shape, chain 6, 1, 2, then just make 1 single crochet on the top of the chain. Here the pattern should look like that. It's time to make 2 chain and turn the work, and then we repeat row 1 by making 8 double crochet on the V shape. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 7 and 8. It's time to join these two together. Take the one in the middle, take that one and make one single crochet. We repeat the pattern again by make 8 double crochet here, join this one like this by single crochet, and then when it comes to the end of the pattern, it's time to change the color like row 2. If you repeat the pattern like that, you are going to have this, and it's up to you which color do you want to use. And at the end of the job, we can cut this yarn here, for example, and then start to cover it between the chain here. If you use a smaller yarn, a smaller hook helps you to cover it better. Yeah, that's it. We are going to cover, or maybe we can use another edge to cover this extra yarn here. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like it, please share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, and have a good day.